Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can slice your first 3D printer model in Bambu Studio. Basically, right after designing your 3D model, the way that you can slice this is by selecting the slice option. Now from here you have the ability to slice all of your model or to just slice your plate. In my case, I'm going to slice my entire plate. So from there it will then load our slicing right here. And basically there's multiple methods or there's multiple ways in order for you to show your sliced model. In here you can see your seams. So in my case, my 3D dragon right here have the seams in the middle of the tail, which is perfect because I don't want it to appear right here. And here you can also look at your travel, your retract and more. But most importantly, you can then see the progress by navigating through this bar right here. So it will then start with this one, and as the printer goes, it will then print it eventually on our model and above. And so that's how you slice your 3D model in the Bambu Slicer Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.